Welcome to this iRecommend tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be going over the features of the admin that you see after you've created your first site. So I'm going to start here on the left with My Sites. Under My Sites, you're going to see the name of the site that you just created. You're going to, because you're a new user, you're just going to have the one site. But imagine that you are a business owner that wants to create a iRecommend site for his business in addition to his family. You would use the Create a New Site feature to add an additional site. Next, you'll see the path of your iRecommend page, so the myers.irecommend.net. That lets you know which site you're editing. Next, we have the dashboard. The dashboard we'll cover in a future video, but to summarize, it contains statistics about the visitors to your site, how many visitors have come, where they've come from, what they're clicking on, in addition to other information. Next, we have pages. So this is where you're going to be to edit your site. Starting with here with menu. The menu allows you, menu options, allows you to manage the menu portion of your page. We'll get into these details a little bit later. But in the menu, you can have categories as well as outbound links. Next, you have a link to the home page, which is the page that has been created by default that you see here in the middle. Next, you have a grouping of pages that the system that iRecommend calls site pages. Site pages contains default pages that all websites should have. We have the About Us, Affiliate Disclosure, Contact Us, Sitemap, and Terms of Service. These are pre-populated with default information that you can go ahead and edit at a different time. We'll get into those in future videos. Next, we have Monetize. Because many of our users want to earn revenue from these pages, this is where the settings go to add IDs that allow us to participate in affiliate marketing networks. This is something we'll cover in future videos. Along the top here, we have the page header, site builder, lets us know what page we're on. We are on the site builder. And then these options here. So first, this plus sign allows us to add blocks to our page. We'll talk more about that in the future. Here we have a tutorials button. Any place you see this question mark, if you click on that, it'll present some videos that are relevant to this page, some tutorials as well as information. You may have noticed those in the menu option as well. Next, we have the copy link icon. This will copy the URL of our page that we are on, allowing us to either share that with an individual or paste that into a new browser tab and let us see the live version. Next, we have the page settings gear. So if we click on that, we can see we have access to page properties, a tour of this page, which will give us a tour of some of the components that you see here. I recommend you check that out. We have a link to tutorials that will give you a list of relevant tutorials to this page and the site. And lastly, we have some options to chat with support or email support if you have any questions. And finally, we have the Publish button. The Publish button makes all the changes that we've made to our website live. If we click this as an example, because this project has not been published, we have all of these pages that are not live yet. But if we want to make this site live, we simply click the Continue button, and any changes we made will be published to our live iRecommend site. In the next video, we are going to go over the body of our page and how we edit that.